action tracking allows you to track conversions, whatever they may be. It could be registration, a sign up, a download, a purchase, literally anything. How it works is using postback or server-to-server integration. All you have to do to get it going is create an action, let's name it test, and create it. And then from over here, you will see two different methods of using server-to-server action tracking, sub-ID method and action data method. Sub-ID is more commonly used than the action data, but both are, of course, working as planned. All you have to do is add this string to your landing page. If you have various parameters already inside, then use an ampersand instead of the question mark. What this does is it creates a parameter action ID and a macro. Once a user clicks on the banner, he'll be redirected to your landing page, and this macro will be changed to a bunch of numbers and letters. The advertiser, on their side, must capture that value, store it on their side, and whenever they consider that the action has been taken, they should call our action track URL, or postback URL, as it's also called. Of course, this is the URL with the macro being the value that the advertiser has captured previously. Once the advertiser calls this URL, Epom understands that a conversion has happened and attributes that conversion to a specific placement, banner, time of day, operating system, and everything else that was stored inside our analytics. Simple as that.